let's make a quick mixed berries jelly parfait, and for that we need 1 cup of water. Once it gets boiled, add 1 pack of National Strawberry jelly in it. अब इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करें और फिर अपने dessert cups में डाल दें. Now take 2 cups of milk and add 4 tablespoons of sugar in it. Then bring the milk to boil. Now add 2 tablespoons of National Strawberry Custard in half cup of milk and mix it well. Then add it in the milk and mix gradually until it becomes thick like this. Okay, now let's start layering. सबसे पहले हमने jelly ऐड की थी जो कि ठंडी हो गई है. उसके बाद हम custard ऐड करेंगे. Then we'll add whipped cream and some mixed berries. अब last layer हम ऐड करेंगे again strawberry custard की, and then we'll add some muesli on top, which will take this dessert to another level, you know. Also, don't forget to add some berries on top. So guys, the mixed berries jelly parfait is ready and it turned out so good. Do give it a try and enjoy it with your friends and family.